beautiful rainfall. Rainfall. Waterfall. Damn, I have to say that again. Oh! Oh my gosh, are you okay?
Yes, I am.
We're not even on a trek yet.
Oh, it's meant to be grippy.
Oh my goodness. And you call yourself an adventurer.
I did not call myself an adventurer.
He's wearing slippers and he doesn't even slip. What's up guys? Beautiful morning here in Lautoka and we're just leaving our homestay. We stayed with the Indian couple Fiji and Simi, and yeah, we're just like in this residential part of Lautoka, and so to get to the little village that we want to go to, we have to catch the local bus, which is underneath this palm tree, back to the main bus station, bus 10, and then from there hopefully catch another bus to the village. So if you've just joined the vlog, today's our first day back inland. We just spent 5 days out on the islands, out in the Yasawas, so make sure you watch those vlogs. And yeah, I have a feeling today's gonna be quite an adventure. So the plan is we don't have accommodation for tonight yet. We're just gonna go into the village and ask if we could, you know, if there's space at a homestay. I think there's like a 12-bedroom dorm where travelers can stay, but we couldn't book it online because those kind of places you need like a travel agent or to book a proper tour. So we don't want to pay those prices because they're about like $250 to $300 per person just for the day. So stuff doing that. Can that dog like fucking shut up? What the hell?
Don't give cash to the drivers. You have your card, you use the card.
But they said only $2 each. I mean $1 each. Is that okay? We don't have money on the card. Nah, but
you know where to put the card money in?
No, where can we do that?
You go here. You see there's a box there, just in the corner with a tree. You give your card and they will fill it for you.
Okay, let's do that first.
Okay. All right, thank you. Yeah. What was that bus? Where's Tavakubu? Oh man, what a mission. So we got on that bus, so it goes to Tavakubu, but apparently that bus, well, we read also that bus doesn't go straight up to Abaca Village. So it's spelled as A-B-A-C-A, Abaca, but you pronounce the C as a th, so it's Abaca. So that's on the top of a hill where the buses don't go, and it's like a 2.5 hour hike uphill to get there. So we're not gonna do that. And the guys at the buses are like pretty dodgy and annoying, so yeah, we didn't want to go with them or listen to them. So we're trying to get a different way there. So taxis, a bit more expensive, but they don't go straight to the village. You have to walk as well. So we're trying to get one of these vans, which is something that we read as well. So we're just trying to bargain.
How much is it to go one way to Abaca Village?
Anytime you hire car, you book. This time you going.
Yeah, we're staying overnight.
Going $40.
So if 60 okay with, because there's only 2 of us and it's too much if it's more, but 60 is okay with us.
Can't give 65.
65? Okay, fine. I will do 65. No, what's it? I don't care. We'll sit in the back. Can we? Are we allowed? We'll just sit in the back. Can we sit in the back? We don't care. Yeah. Okay, let me just try it. So we found our pickup truck transport to Abaca Village. So I think we chose the best way to get there, and check this out. This is the only way to travel. So awesome. So something like this, we're gonna pay 65 bucks for this, so it's a return. Essentially $32 going there, 32 back. There's 2 of us, so it is about $14 to $15 each, like what we read about. So obviously if there's more of you guys, then the price will be a lot better. So the distance from Nadi town to Abaca Village is actually not that far. It's only 16 k's away, but since it's really rough and really rocky, it's uphill as well. It does take a while for these pickup trucks to get there, as you can see. The bus that we were gonna catch doesn't go here. You would have had to walk that, which probably take you like a day nearly. And yeah, the taxis would have dropped us off somewhere further down there. So this is definitely the way to go. So we've just now made it to the village and no time to waste. We are straight into our waterfall trek. But look at this spot. It is hot. Like that's not even much of a walk that we went through and I'm sweating like dog's balls. But look how beautiful this side of Fiji is. Damn. Found these little plants, so when you touch these guys, look what happens. Ooh. They close up, and in fills we call them makahia, which means shy or to be shy. Badass. No electricity. So you could pay 35 bucks to stay in this little lodge. Needs a bit of maintenance, but has a kitchen and it's 12 beds. Oh my god, big gecko. Yeah, looks nice and warm, which you probably don't need. It's so humid up in these parts. Look where we are, guys, in the middle of Fiji, middle of the forest, and it's raining. Glorious. So it's finally stopped raining and look where we are now. Right in the heart of the jungle. And I honestly don't think anyone else is here, or at least I've walked in the last day or two because I'm walking through cobwebs and I can't really show it, but there's like cobwebs right in the front of our trail with like a spider right in the middle. And I keep seeing every so often, so gotta be careful when passing through these in the forest. This is definitely one of the most remote I feel like something is biting me. So we've just trekked just over an hour from Abaca Village, through the forest, through the rain, through cobwebs, thousands of spiders, and look where we have arrived. Beautiful rainfall. Rainfall. Waterfall. Damn, I have to say that again. Well guys, I think this is the highest we're gonna get. I did try to climb up those rocks, but went around the side and got drenched with all the waterfall spraying on me, but it's slippery as shit that I couldn't even like grip anything. It was just like my shoes were just sliding off. So I'm not gonna be able to get on top of that, but here it is. Amazing being here. If you could only picture where we are right now on the map, we are literally in the middle of nowhere underneath this waterfall. But damn guys, honestly, if you go to Fiji, these are the kind of things I recommend. Going to the villages, doing these treks on your own, getting to see the real Fiji. The islands and the resorts and everything like it's beautiful, don't get me wrong, I absolutely love it, but this is where memories are made. Abaca Village? Abaca Village. We went up the big waterfall.
Oh!
Yeah, so really nice there.
No.
It's raining, but we walked 2 hours,
Oh.
stay there, walk 1 hour,
Yeah.
stay there, come back 1 hour.
Come back. You go that side.
Yeah.
Big
Yeah.
waterfall.
Big waterfall.
Oh.
Yeah, all the way over there. Yeah.
Oh. Okay, thank you.
Okay, see you there.
Thank you.
See you.
See you in the village.
Yes. What's your name?
Nepali.
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 Nepali. George. Here to meet you. So this, guys, is the village of Abaca. Sorry, Abaca. You say the C with a TH. And we are living it barefoot through the muddy grass. Careful, slippery, and the sun's just about to set. It's about 4:30, 5 o'clock now, and just gonna fly up Mav to check out this place. So we're just going around this beautiful village, you know, meet some of the people, and I think I'll end it today with flying Mav and checking out this place, and hopefully I could get some shots of how beautiful it is around here right now. The clouds just going over the mountaintop in the sunset. Amazing. So thanks for joining me on today's vlog, guys. Hope you guys had fun, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. Let go.